Hey, I just got in. Come on in, I'm gonna unpack. I like to look like I'm organized, but I'm not. So you can pack everything in these packing cubes and it makes you look like you're organized, even though you've probably just thrown a bunch of stuff in it. So I have all my shoes in here. I always want options, right? So if you're on a trip and maybe you're not feeling a dress that you brought or pants that you brought or shoes, I always like to have options. We're launching with Violet Gray, so I'm doing trainings and promo videos. I'm a big comfy person, and so this is the Cashwear travel blanket. So no matter if you're on a plane or even just any hotel room, I love to bring this travel blanket, and it's super comfy. I have 3 of these at home, so it's like a nice touch of home with me. One of the things that I love to do when I'm on these work trips is, one, just take some time for me. I have twin girls, and so it's just nice to be able to lay in bed and use my NuFACE device or read a book or catch up on Bravo. This is a bag that I bring with me everywhere. As I mentioned, I'm doing house calls, and so I love this CALPAK because it looks like a NuFACE sphere. Our fixed device. Tom's toothpaste, the fennel version, is so delicious, and it just makes your breath and mouth taste yummy all day. So if you like fennel, this is a must-have. I'm diehard fan. Dr. Sturm, the anti-aging body lotion, is also a must. This, I just got this Suzanne Kaufman. It's the cleanser. It is so good. It washes off every stitch of makeup. Of course, your P50 toner. My friend Laura, I actually got this taken away. It was a full size from TSA. I called her crying, so she sent me a bunch of travel size. So thankful for this. Koza, this is amazing. If you haven't tried this, it has SPF in it and it has a little tint, which is perfect. So if you want to go really makeup free, but a little pop of color, this I'm obsessed with. And of course, the NuFACE serums. This is another must-have. I actually recently purchased this on BKR's website, and the cool thing about this water glass container is it has lipstick or chapstick on the top. This may look excessive, but I'm really into health. So I have all these supplements to make sure that I can keep going, being that I travel so often. Okay, so I have such a long day tomorrow, but I'm super excited. We're gonna be launching with Violet Gray, so I'm gonna do a product education and how-to videos. So I'm gonna prep a little bit and then get some good Z's. Bye guys, thanks for coming.